Hi everyone! Welcome to our video for today. Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano ma-unlock ang iyong potential through goal setting? Well, kung gusto mong malaman, tapusin mo ang video na to. By the way, this is Lynn. I'm a mompreneur and a coach, and I give tips for those people who want to boost their sales. Setting clear and achievable goals is very important for your personal growth, especially kung ito ay para sa career mo, sa health, sa relationship, or for your business. It will help you motivate and reach your dreams. So, isa sa mga effective framework na nakita ko o nagamit ko for reaching my goals is yung SMART framework. Ito yung tinatawag natin, alam na ng lahat to. Ito yung tinatawag natin SMART, measurable, achievable or attainable siya, relevant, and of course, time-bounded. Kailangan meron tayong specific goals. So instead of saying na I want to be sexy, just say I want to lose 5 pounds every day. So very specific yon. Kasi pagka specific yung goals mo, mas madali mo siyang magagawa. And you can also chop it or make it smaller task na medyo achievable para everyday natatrack mo kung ano na yung mga nagawa mo sa buhay mo. Ensure also your goals is measurable or attainable siya and meron siyang time limit para meron kang sense of urgency and responsibility. So, kung gusto mong yumaman ng in 5 years or in 10 years, meron ka dapat goals. Ano nga ba yung ginagawa mo? Dapat lalagyan mo din siya ng action kaysa yung sasabihin mo lang siya. Tandaan nyo na ang goal setting is a very powerful tool in reaching your dreams into reality. So, kung meron ka talagang pangarap sa buhay, kailangan meron ka ring passion and determination na gawin ito. Hindi lamang sabihin kung hindi gawin. Hindi lamang planuhin kung hindi gawin. Kasi wala namang mangyayari sa ating mga Pilipino o sa inyo na mga nanonood na to. Kung magpaplano lang tayo ng magpaplano, kailangan umaksyon tayo. So, a plan without action is useless. So, kung meron kang natutunan sa video na ito, like, share, and comments ka lang para makapag-share pa ako ng iba pang mas magagandang lesson for everyone. Happy sharing!